Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the myCigna app. So let's get started. So if you are an Apple user, you should must use your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, you should use your Google Play Store, or you can use your Google search bar as well. So here I will just go to my search bar and search for the app. So here I will just write here. So as you can see here, the app. Just click on here. Just go to more info. So from here you can click on the install button and it will automatically download and install the app. If you scroll down, you can also see the reviews of the app, and you can post your personal review also. So basically this app is average reviewed as I can see. Okay, and if you have any problem, you can contact from the support also, and you can see the policies. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And also, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.